You ever looked in the sky at the ball of flaming hot gases? Have you ever had any questions about the flaming hot ball of gases in the sky? Well, thanks to NASA and the European Space Agency, some of your questions might be answered. Scientists estimate that there are 1 billion trillion stars in the universe, and our sun is the only one with confirmed life traveling around it. Every day the sun provides the right amount of light and heat to keep all life on Earth alive. That includes the trees, people, and all the life in the ocean. Without the sun, Earth would be a cold and lifeless planet. Mankind as we know it would not exist without the sun. Throughout the speech, I hope to use credible sources like the ESA and NASA to inform you on the Solar Orbiter mission, what they do, why it will be important, and why this applies to us as humans. For starters, what are they studying? According to NASA, they will be using 10 different instruments to study the electric and magnetic fields, passing particles and waves, and study the atmosphere of the sun and the outflow of material. This will allow us to discover new secrets about the sun that we have never known before, and will allow us to refine the information that we already know. This will be one of the most important studies of the sun ever conducted. According to the ESA, these will be the closest images ever taken of the sun. The closest image will be 42 million kilometers. It's pretty far if you ask me. This allows the scientists to study the sun in a way that they've never seen before, with more detailed images that will be closer to what they really need to see. In order to get these pictures, ESA claims that the orbiter will use 2 planets for gravity assists. As you can see here, it will be using Venus on December 26, 2020 as the first gravity assist, which will rotate them, slingshot them, into orbit with Earth on November 26, 2021. That will slingshot. They will keep slingshotting back and forth until they get the closest image of the sun ever taken. This allows them to save gas or save jet or fuel for the orbiter, so it's not as costly. It also allows them to get there faster than just going straight to it. And it also provides a safer means of getting closer to the sun. You may ask, why should I care about this? NASA states that Earth would be a ball of ice and rock without the sun. And that doesn't sound very enjoyable or very lifelike to me. The sun provides life for everything. In summary, to make it short and sweet, Solar Orbiter will provide groundbreaking info about the sun and how it impacts us on a daily basis. That can be from tanning outside, how the rays impact you. That can be how we work solar energy, how we can study the sun. Maybe we could get a true estimate on how long we have left. Without it, we wouldn't exist. It's one of the most important things that we can think of. Everyone should really care about the sun. This study helps us push past what people in the past thought we would never be able to push past. These studies could not have been even conceptualized back then. That is all. Thank you.